Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but got a lot to show for, and we're excited for this next release coming soon. In this video, I know it's been a while since we showed the Fire Academy, but I just wanted to show a few things that we've been working on. So this video is going to go over how to use the ladders on the fire trucks. And now that we incorporated our third-person characters, we wanted to go over that, and we wanted to make it more of an interactive mechanic of the game rather than just being inside the front seat of the truck and moving the ladder around. So we'll go ahead and show you. So all of this is very, very early stuff, so just bear with us here. So with this mechanic that we're working on, it's going to allow you to have your character, any character on the truck actually, whoever wants to put, preferably the chauffeur, but any character works. You'll be able to climb up to the turntable and move the ladder around from up there, as well as climb up the ladder to the roof or whatever you have the ladder set to. So we'll show you how to do the outriggers and all that stuff. So in real life, on these fire trucks, the outrigger controls are behind these little doors here. So once we walk into the area, we can see a different camera angle. This gives us a good view on whether our outriggers are hitting anything or anything like that. So from there we can walk over to this ladder, and we can press F, which is our sort of like interact key right now. So now we're eventually gonna add animations to all of this, but functionality is more important than looks right now. So just like before, we can move our ladder around and extend it. In position, we can press F to get back down. So it's much more of a interactive mechanic now than it was before, but each truck is different. So just like real life, we tried to simulate the mechanics of how they work, the outriggers and the ladder and everything. So I'll go ahead and show you the tower ladder next and how that works. We'll go in the back for this one so it's not too crowded. So with tower ladders in the FDNY, their outrigger controls aren't usually in the back. They're usually right around here. So it's the same deal. You can put the outriggers down. Gives you a nice little angle so you can see if you're going to hit anything on your sides. Then we can simply go to the steps that lead up to the bucket and press F. And now we're in the bucket. We can fit 2 people in here, one from either side. So you and a friend can be in here. Move the bucket around from up here. It's a different style than we used to have before. So you'll be able to get down from here and get on the roof, and on the rear mount you'll be able to climb up, or the tiller as well. So I'll go ahead and show you how the tiller works. So on the tiller, the outrigger controls are actually on the turntable control panel. So you don't have to walk anywhere. You can simply just come over here to the steps, hop onto the turntable, bring down the outriggers. But let me go to a building and show you that. So we'll hop up here. We need to put the outriggers down on this one to even move the ladder around. So that's another thing, is on the tower ladder and on this truck, you have to put the outriggers down if you want to move the ladder around. So we like this new method a lot. It's a lot more realistic, and once you're able to climb up the ladders, which will be very soon, it's going to be a great tool to access rooftops and stuff like that. So as for the fire academy itself, the last few weeks we've actually put a lot of attention towards it, setting up different emergencies that you can handle and things like that. So we're really excited to get this new update out. It's been a long time coming, and hope you guys enjoy a little update video.